In today's episode, we'll cover another useful topic about finances, how to build financial systems that make money for you. If you're tired of too much work, get your pen and paper, get ready to take down points that will help you. My sincere wish is that you will use these pointers to improve your financial situation and we can grow together. As your financial bestie, I wish you all the best as you work towards financial freedom. I got tired of working too hard, so I've set down systems to help me. At least I have more time with my family and loved ones. I'm focusing on things that I love and I don't need to worry about my next paycheck. So let's go through the next pointers. And if you have any questions, any comments, or you'd like somebody to chip in to help you to understand something about your personal financial journey, please share in the comment section. Create a money plan if you're looking for financial freedom. Start with a solid money plan. Think of it as drawing a treasure map. Know where your treasure is. Write down how much money you make, how much money you spend, how much money you owe. At least everything is clear. Then make a rule to save first. Use the 50-30-20 rule. It's a common rule, but it works. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% allocated to go to your savings or debt repayment. So it works because you stop guessing where your money goes, but you tell it where to go. It's not like money comes in and you don't have a way to allocate what goes into your needs and what goes into your wants. You have a solid plan. You don't have just money hanging anywhere. No, you're working towards financial freedom. If you build good habits today, you'll definitely enjoy tomorrow. So, the next point is just to automate your money. Let the machines do the hard work. Set an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account so that you don't have to mess with that money. Remember, you're paying yourself first. You want financial freedom. So let it go into your savings, let it go into your investments. Remember, investments are going to work for you so you can reduce your burden later on. You don't have to work so hard because now, once your investments start bringing in more money, it means you have financial freedom. So turn your savings and investments into a built in habit. You don't need decisions, just automate it and let it stay as such. Whoever came up with the idea of passive income, bless your soul. Because it's like once I put in the work today, create what I need to create, then later on I can keep on enjoying the fruits without putting in excessive amount of hard work just to enjoy my fruits. So look into ways, sources, means, ideas of creating passive income. You can't make money if you're going to trade your time to make money. You have to get streams of income coming in passively. So, for example, you can invest in bonds and dividend stocks. I talk so much about bonds and dividend stocks. Watch out for new episodes coming soon. You can check into high yield savings accounts. You can check into balance funds. All those things will bring in income later on, and now you can enjoy financial freedom. In connection to passive income, you just have to work on creating multiple income streams. If you're thinking of starting a side business, as long as it doesn't consume you and you can't sleep or have a normal life, start that side business. Don't even overthink the business that you want to start. Just do the basic groundwork. If you can start it up and you need more ideas of how you're going to manage your finances, I'm here to give you the ideas. Tap also into the money market online. Just do something online. Just make sure you are creating multiple income streams so that if one tap is dry, income is still coming in from another tap. If you want to grow your finances, take advantage of compounding, reinvest and grow. The little money that you make, if you reinvest it, it will grow. Use your earned income to buy more income making assets so your tree grows more fruit. That is how compounding works. Your money earns money, which earns more money, and the cycle continues. So soon your money tree will stand on its own and you can start enjoying money without working so hard. Always have a financial buffer. Stay prepared for the unexpected. Create a fund that will help you to take care of emergencies. Just have some money set aside so that you're not messing up with your other savings and investment plans. Remember, we started with a money plan, but in that same money plan, you need a financial buffer. Don't mess with your savings, don't mess with your investments because we have a goal. So, a financial buffer will help you to take care of anything that arises, emergencies. Also, think about insurance because if you have valuable things, it's better to pay for insurance because, in case of any eventuality, you can still stand on your feet comfortably. It will not affect your plans. And also, remember to just keep on reviewing your plans year by year as the markets change, as the economy changes, there will always be a change. So keep on reviewing your plan so that it is up to date and your kitty is useful. Because if you save too little, then it won't be useful. So keep yourself updated so that your kitty is useful. If you have ignored financial apps in the past, sit up. These financial apps are so important. Use apps that autopay bills, use apps that auto invest, use apps that alert you to budget targets, use apps that handle withdrawals automatically. Just let your money move on its own. Don't say it will cut my paycheck and I won't see anything more. You already know where the money is going. That was the main purpose of having a plan first. Remember to share any questions or comments in the comment section, and I wish you the best.